Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to download or unlock Amazon Fire Stick with the Kodi 17.6. So you're in the home screen, you would slide to the right all the way to settings and scroll down and you go over to device and then select device and you would go down to developer options and I already have this one on, but automatically when you are here you would click turn them all these on. You select yes on turn on, confirm that, and then from here you would just go back to home screen and go up top to a search. And when you get here you can use your Amazon voice or you can type. I like to use voice because it's easier. So you would just hold your voice button and search for downloader. So you get a downloader, that one right there on the left, and you would select that. So due to the fact that I had already downloaded this, you would just select yes, install the download. Once you install it, then as you can see I have already had my 17.6 Krypton. So you would go to install on this, but at the same time you just got to make sure once you download and everything comes up, you would go to, one moment. Alright, here we go. So you would select, when you come up to this screen, downloader, when you come up you would see this HTTP / you've already been there, so you would type bit.ly/Kodi176. There's no point here on 17.6, so you have to make sure it's 17.6, and you would hit that and hit go, and you would confirm, and it's connecting. Now it's downloading that file. Once the download is finished, it's almost done. Okay, it's installing now. You can see it's almost done here. And once the finish is done, you're gonna go down to, as you can see here, cancel and install. So you will hit install. So it's installing now. It's going to take a couple minutes here. Okay, so app installed. So you're going to go down and then you're going to come down to the right and click open. So Kodi 17.6 Krypton, as you can see. Now from here, so you would go to settings. So now you can, this is just you can use any build on that you want, but the one I use on the system settings, I'll show you the one I use. So you're gonna go all the way down to add-ons. You know, select the add-ons here, and you have to make sure you select show notification on and unknown sources on. This will come on with prompter. You just go there and select yes. Okay, so from here, once you have this on, you're gonna go, we're gonna go back to settings. You're gonna go down to file manager, and we're gonna add a source. So from here, you're going to type. So you will select none, and then from here, you're gonna type. You can use any add-on that you would like, but for instance, you can use this one. If you have another one you can use. So we're gonna go and type this on there, and I'll show you what it's writing. Alright, so as you can see here, I was typing. It's showing it's HTTP. Then we have //, so it says repo JDIGGZ. So it's JDIGS. That D after the D and then it's an I, not a L. A lot of people have that confused. .com, and then once you do that, you're gonna just go up to hit OK, and you can name it. It's easier to go ahead and name it. So that one, for instance, like this one, we can name it. I'm sorry. We're gonna name this one Digs. So any add-ons that you add up here, you can name it and give nickname, and you can use that to stream to whatever you would like to stream. So we're gonna name this one, let's capitalize this. We're gonna name this one Digs. So that way I know which one I'm gonna use if I have to change add-ons. You're gonna select OK. All right, as you can see, I already named it, and you're gonna go down to OK. All right, so we're gonna hit OK from here. So we're gonna go to Digs, make sure we did it correctly. As you can see, yeah, we did. So now from here, you would just go back to the home screen, and you're gonna go back down to add-ons again. And then from here, you're gonna scroll to, so on add-on here, you would select the add-on and go up top to that download box right there. And then you're gonna go down to, so you're gonna select installs from zip file. And you're gonna select your file, which is Digs or whichever name you named it, and hit OK. You go to repository Digs, select that. As you can see, there'll be a download in your screen, and once it's done, you're gonna go out up here. As you can see right there, it's already been add-on installed. You're gonna go to install repository. You select that. You're gonna go down to Digs repo, as you can see. And you're gonna go to programmed add-ons. Select that. And then you're gonna go to Digs wizard. So from here, you select that. You're gonna get this screen. So as you can see on the top right corner, the bottom right corner, I'm sorry, there's a button that says install. So you would select install and select Digs wizard. Some people will get automatically pop up like that. You would select continue. Some people who don't get it, I'll show you when you don't get it automatically. So you from here, just gonna go back to the main screen, and you will see the Digs fire builds. So let me go back to main screen. So for those who get this pop up here from this screen, you will just hit build menu. And then if you do not get it, I'm gonna go to the main screen. If you don't get the automatically pop-ups, we're gonna go to the main screen, and you will see a Digs file right here. So you go down and select it, and you're gonna come to this with Digs wizard screen here. So from here, and you're gonna come down to Digs builds. As you can see, that little utility worker right there, just hit that. And then from here, you're just gonna come down to, so from that screen, you would either get this right here, or for some other people, like I just installed mine, and the screen I got was this. So when you get from this screen, if you come from Digs builds, if you come from here, it's going to bring you the list of these other servers. So what you'll do is just go to Xenon 7.3.5.5, select that, and then from there you would get the option to do a download. So you can do standard download or fresh start download. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to fresh start download. All right, so from here, guys, you would go to down to fresh install or standard install. You can do standard, but I like fresh because so we're gonna see how everything operates. So you're gonna select fresh install, and then from here it's gonna say, do you wish to restore Kodi configuration and everything up here. So you would select continue. So select that, and it's gonna install. So once this one is done right here, then we're gonna go from there. We're almost pretty much almost done up here, and this is just one of the add-ons. There's another add-ons is Genesis Reborn. There's another add-on with Poseidon. So you can have as much add-ons as you want, and you can name them. So you would just go to your download wizard and download your a website that you would like to download the add-on, and there's plenty of tutorial. You can go get online and see some other ones, or I will update another file of showing on another video of different add-on. So we're just gonna wait for this one to be done. It's gonna take a couple minutes, or maybe about a minute. So just wait, I'm gonna fast forward from here. Okay, so it's almost done here. Just from this one, and then we'll get another one that it's gonna download from. It's gonna be about 500 MBs. So the next one will show you come up in just a second here. Yeah, this one at 551. So we'll just wait for this one to load up real quick. All right, as you can see, guys, we're still on loading here. And if you happen to get an error, just go back to your downloader and make sure that you have your